Welcome to GT Sixty-Seven Automotive and our absolutely sensational triple yellow Ford Mustang GT Shadow Edition. Just 18,000 miles this vehicle, previously owned by a true Mustang enthusiast. I mean, how striking is this car? Absolutely incredible. So some of the features of the Shadow Edition over the standard GT. We get black badges all round, so the black pony emblem on the grille, the black 5.0 emblems on the side, and 19-inch black Y-spoke alloys. Also definitely worth mentioning, we have P0 tyres all round on this vehicle, something that is very much needed. Round to the rear of the vehicle, those iconic tail lights. They look sensational. So for me, what really sets this Mustang apart is the fact that it's got a Ford Racing By Borla exhaust on it. Now this exhaust makes the Mustang sound exactly how a Mustang should sound. It's not too obnoxious, but it really just gives that edge. We had a 2016 model without the exhaust, so it had a standard exhaust on it back in summer, and the difference is noticeable with the Ford Racing one for sure. And actually a lot of people go on to upgrade the Mustang with an aftermarket exhaust regardless, just to give it that classic Mustang sound. And we're actually going to tag on an exhaust note video onto the end of this one, just so you get a full feel of it. Also a great spec inside this vehicle. Heated and cooled seats, Shaker Pro sound system, and stunning black leather. As previously mentioned, it was a true enthusiast car before we got the vehicle, and it really does show. Triple yellow is just such a great colour for this car. So there we have it, our 2018 Mustang GT Shadow Edition. And I'm sure you will, I'm sure you're going to really enjoy the exhaust note video that we put on after this. Thanks for watching. To book a physical or online viewing of this vehicle, please get in contact via phone, email, or across socials.